Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode here on Daily English Loop. We are so happy to have you with us today. I'm Alex.
And hello, everyone. I'm Lisa. It is such a beautiful day to be here. I am full of energy today.
You are always full of energy, Lisa. It's great. I am feeling pretty good myself. I have my large cup of coffee right here, so I am ready to go.
Classic Alex, always with the coffee. I have my green tea here, so I am relaxed but ready. How are you doing today, Alex?
I am doing very well, thank you. It's a nice Tuesday, the sun is shining, my coffee is hot, life is good. How are you doing, Lisa?
I'm fantastic, thanks. I actually went for a run this morning, so I feel really awake.
A run? Wow, that is impressive. My morning was much quieter. I just sat in my chair and read the news.
That sounds nice too. A quiet morning is lovely.
It really is. But speaking of the morning, my morning is finished. It is gone.
That is true. It is now the afternoon. The morning is in the past.
Exactly. And that is our topic for today's episode. We are going to talk about the past.
Ooh, the past. I love this topic. Talking about things that happened yesterday or last week or even 5 minutes ago.
Yes, it is super important. If you want to tell stories to your friends, you need to know how to talk about the past.
Definitely. We can't just talk about now all the time. We need to talk about our memories.
But before we travel back in time, let's stay in the present for just one small moment.
Good idea. To all our wonderful listeners on Daily English Loop, if you are enjoying our podcast, please remember to hit that like button.
Yes, please do. And make sure to subscribe to Daily English Loop. It really helps us grow the channel and reach more students like you.
And share it with your friends. Okay, Alex, I think we are ready. Let's go back to the past.
Let's do it. So, when we describe something that is finished or a state we were in, we have to change our words.
Right. Let's start with the most common verb, the verb to be. Words like am, is, and are.
Correct. These words change when we talk about yesterday. Let's look at am and is first.
Okay, so right now I can say I am happy.
But if we talk about yesterday, am changes to was. So Lisa, you would say,
Yesterday I was happy.
perfect. I was. It sounds soft. W-A-S, was.
What about is? Like the coffee is hot.
Good example. Is also changes to was. So, yesterday, the coffee was hot.
I see. So am becomes was and is becomes was. That is easy to remember.
It is very consistent. Let's try describing the weather. Right now, looking out the window, the weather is sunny.
But yesterday the weather was rainy.
Exactly. The weather was. Or we can talk about locations. Right now, I am in the studio.
And yesterday, where were you yesterday morning, Alex?
Yesterday morning, I was at a new cafe downtown.
Of course you were. You are always at a cafe.
I really am. I love cafes. So, I was at the cafe. What about you, Lisa? You are here now, but where were you last night?
Last night. Oh, I was at the gym.
At the gym. See? I was at the gym. It is very simple.
It is. Okay, so that covers I, he, she, and it. But what about you, or we, or they?
Great question. If we use are, it changes to a different word. It changes to were.
Were. W-E-R-E. Were.
Yes, it sounds a bit longer. Were. So, we are friends today.
And we were friends yesterday.
Exactly. Or, you are late today.
Hopefully not, but in the past, you were late yesterday.
Perfect. And they. They are busy now.
They were busy last week.
You've got it. So am and is become was, and are becomes were.
Let's practice this a little bit. Alex, where were you last Saturday?
Last Saturday. Let me think. Last Saturday I was at the library.
The library. Was it quiet?
Yes, it was very quiet. It was peaceful. I was there for 3 hours.
That sounds nice. It was peaceful. I was there. Good use of was.
Thank you. What about you, Lisa? Where were you last Sunday?
Last Sunday, I was at a concert.
Oh, wow. A concert? Was it loud?
Yes, it was very loud, but it was fun. My friends were there with me.
My friends were there. Perfect, because friends is plural, like they, so we use were.
Exactly. We were all very excited. The music was great.
The music was great. I love it. So, listeners, remember, was and were. I was tired. You were happy. The movie was good.
It is a great way to describe how things were in the past.
Okay, so that is the verb to be. But we do more than just be things. We take actions.
Yes, we move, we talk, we play, we work. These are action verbs.
And in English, we have a very cool rule for many of these verbs. We call them regular verbs.
Regular means normal or standard, so they follow a simple rule.
The rule is add ed to the end of the word.
Just ed? That seems too easy.
It is surprisingly easy for many words. Let's look at walk. W-A-L-K. Today, I walk.
And yesterday, I walked.
Yes, walked. You hear that little sound at the end? Walked.
So today, I walk to the studio. Yesterday, I walked to the studio.
Perfect. Let's try listen. Today, I listen to music.
Yesterday, I listened to music.
Listened. Very good. What about clean?
Oh, I hate cleaning, but yesterday I cleaned my kitchen.
Cleaned. You added the ed. Excellent.
It feels very natural. What about watch, like I watch TV?
Yesterday, I watched TV.
Watched. Okay, Alex, tell me, did you watch anything interesting last night?
Actually, yes. I watched a documentary about coffee beans.
You are obsessed, Alex. You watched a documentary about coffee?
I did. I liked it very much. See? Liked. Today, I like it. Yesterday, I liked it.
Okay, that is a good one. Like becomes liked.
Let's try a few more common ones. Cook.
Cooked. Last night I cooked dinner.
Play.
Played. I played tennis last week.
Call.
Called. I called my mother yesterday.
You are a natural at this, Lisa.
It's fun. It makes telling a story very easy. I can just add ed.
Let me try to put a few of them together. Yesterday afternoon, I finished my work.
Finished. Good.
Then, I walked to the park.
Walked. Nice.
I called my friend on the phone.
Called.
And we talked for 20 minutes.
Talked. You used 4 regular verbs there. Finished, walked, called, talked.
And it tells a clear sequence of events. It is very useful.
But Alex, is English always this easy?
Ah, Lisa, you know the answer to that. English likes to be a little bit difficult sometimes.
I knew it. There is a catch.
There is. Not all verbs like the ed rule. Some verbs are rebels. They are irregular.
Irregular verbs. These are the ones that change completely, right?
Exactly. They do not follow the rule. You cannot just add ed.
Can you give us an example of a common irregular verb?
The most common one is probably go. Today, I go. Yesterday,
Not good.
no, never good. That sounds very strange to a native speaker. The past of go is went.
Went. W-E-N-T. That is completely different. The word changed 100%.
It did. Go becomes went. So yesterday, I went to the store.
Last year, I went to Paris.
This morning, I went to the kitchen. It is used everywhere.
Okay, so go is went. What is another one?
How about eat? We love to eat. Today, I eat lunch. Yesterday,
Not eated. It is ate?
yes, ate. A-T-E. It sounds like the number 8.
Ate. Yesterday, I ate a salad.
Yesterday, I ate a burger.
This morning, I ate toast.
Perfect. So we have went and ate. Let's try drink, since we love our coffee and tea.
Yes. Today, I drink tea. Yesterday, drink?
You got it. Drink. D-R-A-N-K.
So, yesterday, I drank 3 cups of tea.
Yesterday, I drank too much coffee.
Only yesterday? I think you drink too much coffee every day, Alex.
That might be true, but yesterday I drank a lot.
Okay, so go, went, eat, ate, drink, drink. These are kind of fun, like a puzzle.
It is a memory game. Let's try see, like seeing with your eyes.
Today, I see you. Yesterday, I saw you?
Yes, saw. S-A-W. I saw a movie.
I saw a beautiful bird in the park.
I saw my friend at the supermarket.
That is a very useful one. What about have? I have a question.
Have is extremely common. The past tense is had. H-A-D.
Had? Okay. Yesterday, I had a headache.
Or positive, yesterday I had a great day.
We had dinner together.
Yes, have turns to had. Let's do a couple more. Take, like take a photo or take the bus.
Taked? No. Took?
Took, yes. T-O-O-K. Took.
I took the train to work.
I took a lot of pictures on my vacation.
Okay, one more. Buy. When we go shopping.
This one is a little tricky to spell, but easy to say. Bought.
Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. That is a lot of silent letters.
It is. Just say bought. Bought. Yesterday, I bought a new shirt.
I bought some groceries.
Excellent. So these irregular verbs are very important because we use them all the time.
We really do. Go, eat, drink, see, have, take, buy. They are essential for daily life.
Let's review them quickly before we move on.
Okay. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, see becomes saw, have becomes had, take becomes took, buy becomes bought.
Perfect list. Listeners, you might want to write those down.
Now, Alex, I think we should try to put this all together.
I agree. The best way to learn is to use these words in a real story. Do you want to try first, Lisa?
Sure, I will tell you about my Saturday.
I am listening. Tell me about your past.
Okay, last Saturday was a beautiful day. I woke up early.
Woke. That is the past of wake. Good start.
I went to the kitchen and I drank a glass of water.
Went and drank. Nice.
Then I ate a banana and I went to the park for yoga.
You are very healthy, Lisa. Ate, went.
The park was lovely. The grass was green. I saw many people there.
Was, saw. You are mixing to be and irregular verbs perfectly.
After yoga, I walked home. I was hungry, so I cooked a big lunch.
Walked and cooked. Regular verbs.
Yes, I cooked pasta. I had a great meal. Then I cleaned my room.
Had and cleaned.
In the evening, I was tired, so I watched a movie and went to sleep.
That is a perfect story. You used regular verbs like walked, cooked, cleaned, watched, and irregular verbs like went, drank, ate, saw, had.
It feels good to tell a whole story. It makes sense.
It does. And notice, listeners, she didn't just use one type. She mixed them all together. That is how native speakers talk.
Okay, Alex, your turn. Tell us about your Sunday. Make it interesting.
No pressure. Okay. Last Sunday, I was feeling lazy.
Was. Good start.
I woke up late. I had a big breakfast. I ate pancakes and drank coffee.
Woke. Had. Ate. Drank. Sounds delicious.
It was delicious. Then I took the bus to the city center.
Took.
I went to a music shop. I looked at some guitars.
Went and looked. Did you buy a guitar?
No, I didn't buy a guitar, but I bought some new headphones.
Bought. Nice.
Then I met my friend Dave. We walked around the city.
Met. That's the past of meet. And walked.
We saw a street performer. He played the violin. It was beautiful.
Saw and played.
We were hungry, so we went to a pizza place. We ate pizza and talked for hours.
Were. Went. Ate. Talked. That sounds like a great day.
It really was. I came home late, but I was happy.
Came. That's the past of come. I came home.
Exactly. See? We can describe our whole weekend just using these simple changes.
It really unlocks conversation. Instead of just pointing at things, you can share your life experiences.
And that is the goal of learning English, to connect with people, to share stories.
Absolutely. Alex, do you think we should remind the listeners that mistakes are okay?
Oh, definitely. Listeners, please remember, mistakes are 100% okay.
Yes. If you say, I goed to the store, people will still understand you.
Exactly. They might smile, but they will understand. And then you will remember next time to say, went.
Making mistakes is how we learn. Don't be afraid to speak.
Just try. Try to use the past tense. Try to remember the irregular ones. But if you forget, just keep talking.
Consistency is key. Just practice a little bit every day.
Speaking of practice, I think we have given our listeners a lot of tools today.
We have covered was and were.
We covered regular verbs with the ed ending.
And we covered a big list of irregular verbs.
That is a lot of information. I think our listeners are ready for a challenge.
I think so too. We want to hear from you guys.
Yes, we have a question for you. We want you to answer it in the comment section below.
The question is, what did you do last weekend?
It can be a simple story, just 3 or 4 sentences.
You can say, I played games, or I visited my grandmother.
Or I went to the cinema, or I slept all day.
Slept all day is a very good sentence too.
Whatever you did, try to write it down using the past tense verbs we talked about today.
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy to see you practicing.
And if you see other people's comments, give them a like or reply. Let's help each other learn.
That is what the Daily English Loop community is all about, supporting each other.
Exactly. Well, Lisa, my coffee cup is empty.
And my tea is finished.
I think that means it is time to say goodbye for today.
Time flies when you are having fun.
It really does. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Loop. We hope you learned something new today.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We have a lot more fun topics coming up.
We certainly do. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Or if it's nighttime, have a wonderful night.
See you next time. Keep practicing those verbs.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.